Hi, this is Farhan and welcome back to another video. The last couple of weeks have been absolutely crazy in the world of crypto. The last 2 weeks saw a major downturns for the prices, and in the last couple of days we have seen an entire U-turn for the prices. In fact, if you had been looking online in various forums or just Twitter, pretty much you would have noticed that a lot of people are talking about how we're entering into a bear market. And if you're looking at Twitter today or the crypto world or pretty much any other forum, especially on Reddit, you will see a lot of people talking about how we are getting back into the bull market and the prices are going to go absolutely skyrocketed. Well, that's a crazy way the world of crypto works. Anyway, we will be talking about what this is going to mean for the near term, especially related to the prices, and obviously we'll be talking about XRP, what 2022 has in store for XRP, and also a very important update coming from this lawsuit, and the judge is getting ready to take over. A lot of really interesting things to be talking about today, and obviously towards the end we will be talking about another major update related to Metacent. So very important details today. But before going on to those details, a word from the sponsor of today's video. Thanks to the folks over at Supremacy for sponsoring today's video. Supremacy is a metaverse enabled game based on Earth in the year 2149, and which consists of a different game platforms that simulates a different parts of the metaverse. There are going to be three initial platforms which will be launched on the Supremacy multiverse. That is the Battle Arena, a watch to win online spectator game with cooperative play elements integrated into twitch.com live streams. Second is the Citizen Headquarters. It's an economic simulation, resource management and resource trading game. And the third is the Enrichment Center. It's a play to earn mobile game where players can perform puzzles, tasks and quizzes and other fun tasks to complete work contracts for currency. It is a very interesting concept, especially the whole watch to earn concept directly on Twitch, which I haven't really seen a lot of other crypto companies, metaverse companies do that. And they are going to be launching their own public token on 22nd of February. So in a couple of weeks time, and if you guys are interested in all the details related to this, I'll be putting it in the description box below. Having said this, I do want to remind you guys that investments in the world of crypto, it can be very risky, and it's very important to do your own due diligence, and do not forget that golden mantra of crypto investing, and that is only invest what you can afford to lose. Moving on to a very interesting information we got today, and that is related to basically saying what's in store for XRP in 2022. This comes out of Motley Fool, company that provides financial advice to investors out there. Now let me start off by saying that the article which I'll be talking about right now, it is an opinion article from Motley Fool, and the things that are certain parts which are said in this article are completely wrong, and I want to tell you exactly what those are. Basically, it says here towards the end, accordingly, those looking to time the bottom on this token may have a difficult time. There's always the potential the SEC could prevail in its lawsuit and shut this project down. That's the worst case investors hope won't happen, but some may think that this risk is simply too high to justify an investment. Now here he's basically talking about, hey, should you be investing in XRP or not? And before that, basically talking about the entire lawsuit, how important that is. In fact, that is not something new. I've been talking about it for quite a long time. Now to come out saying that, hey, if SEC wins, there's a chance that they're going to shut this entire project down. Now let me start off by saying that that is not true, because it is extremely unlikely that this SEC that has the power to shut the entire project down, because this is not a lawsuit. This is not a fraud lawsuit. They're not going out saying that, hey, Ripple is a fraud company. They're not saying that. This is basically talking about XRP being a security or not. And having said that, even if Ripple is somehow shut down tomorrow, XRP can still live on, because the XRP ledger will still be there. The nodes that are running the XRP ledger, they will still continue to function. And that is the power of decentralization. And that is why so many people love the world of crypto, because it has these amazing features such as decentralization. XRP is a part of this. So even if somehow Ripple is going to, the company is going to shut down, XRP is still going to be there. Now, I have to say that yes, there is a very strong chance that SEC can win this lawsuit, and if it does win this lawsuit, there's a chance that the price of XRP can drop massively, and if it does, the chance of that happening are very likely. But on the other hand, if we see that Ripple is going to win this lawsuit, and if Ripple wins this lawsuit, the price of XRP is going to cross its all-time high position. And that's something talked about by a lot of people, not just me, by a lot of other people on YouTube, people on Twitter, and various other forums. Now, to come out and say that, hey, SEC has the power to shut down XRP, basically shut down this entire project, they simply cannot do that. So that's one thing very cleared out of their way. The other important thing which they talked about in this lawsuit, saying that, hey, it's going to be extremely hard to time the bottom of the XRP price. That is, I completely agree with that as well, because of this, not just because of this lawsuit, but the overall world of crypto and how exactly it works. Timing a bottom of the crypto, it is going to be an extremely hard, and he says that he is going to watch XRP from the sidelines. Now, this is the risk which a lot of people are talking about, especially related to investments in the world of crypto. And don't forget the golden mantra of crypto investing, and that is only invest what you can afford to lose. And in this case, related to XRP, well, a lot of people are saying that this is a very risky token. But if things turn out to be positive for Ripple, the company, and this entire lawsuit, well, XRP, and if you have invested in XRP, it can yield you extremely high returns. But again, it has a very high risk associated with it. Now, moving on to a big update, and this is related to the judge of this lawsuit. For many past rulings, we have gotten Judge Sarah Nedburns, who has been giving out rulings. But recently, in the last couple of days, it was Judge Elisa Torres who gave the ruling regarding sealment of certain documents. Now, the documents itself are not pretty much big of a deal, but the thing that is the big deal here is that it came from the Judge Elisa Torres, which is basically the main judge of this entire lawsuit. And it seems that she is coming in to take over this lawsuit, which would hopefully speed up the entire process much further. And having said this, a lot of people now are talking about, hey, because since the judge is coming in, there is going to be a ruling related to the fair notice defense, basically the holy grail of this entire lawsuit. And in the ruling which Judge Elisa Torres gave, she basically favors public disclosure, and she basically told Ripple, hey, you cannot seal these documents, which at first might not seem that great for Ripple, but it's definitely great for the general public, because all the information will be out in public. And keeping this up, it seems that the judge favors public disclosure, which means that we will also get to see those very important emails from William Hinman that can define this entire lawsuit as well. So overall, things are looking in a very positive direction, at least for the general public, especially related to the overall world of crypto here. Now, speaking about the overall crypto world here, in the past week, we saw prices basically go on a major downturns. And during that time, I made a video saying that, hey, I am going to be buying more crypto, because whenever you are thinking about investing into crypto or pretty much anything else, it is a good time when you're buying generally during an extreme fear time. And that's what I did. Even though in that video I did say that it was my own personal opinion, not a financial advice, now we're starting to see some benefits because the prices are starting to increase as well. And if we continue with this, it might seem that we can touch those all-time highs, not for XRP, but for other cryptos out there. So let me know in the comment section if you guys did buy any crypto out there. So do drop a comment below. Before ending the video, I do want to remind you guys that we currently do have the massive $10,000 worth of crypto giveaway going on. And for that, for you to participate into this, you simply have to be a subscriber on my channel, and all details regarding that will be in the description box below. So make sure to check it out, because it is absolutely free, and there is a chance you can win a lot of money in crypto, which can increase even higher in the future. So guys, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and follow the steps in the description box below, and I'll also pin a comment on how you can enter into this giveaway. Well guys, that was the video for today, and as always, thank you for watching this. And if you have any thoughts, comments, or any other suggestions, do drop a comment below. And as always, thank you for watching this, and I will see you next time.